So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set up automatic biweekly stock buys here on the Moomoo application. So open up Moomoo, go to the bottom in between news and markets, press on accounts, then go to where it says all right here, press on all, then under trade, press on auto buy. So once you're here, you can go ahead and select whatever stock you're looking for. So if I wanted to, buy an ETF, for instance, so go to Canadian market right here, press an ETF. We'll go ticker symbol XDIV. We'll press on invest for this demonstration. Now to set up bi-weekly stock buys, first off, select the amount you're looking for. So if I wanted to do $40 a day, for instance, just like that, and then where it says frequency, press on the drop down, go to every 2 weeks or the bi-weekly stock option, and then select the day of the week. So if you're looking to do every Wednesday, for example, every 2 weeks, press on confirm, then go to the bottom and agree to the relevant agreements, and of course press on buy. So super simple, super straightforward. That is how to set up automatic bi-weekly stock buys on the Moomoo application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.